कारे महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य साबादा सिल्वा हाणे प्रवेश प्रक्रियेत व्हड घोळ केल्ल्याचे गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या चौकशेत उक्ताडा आयिल्ले। मंगळारा राती विद्यापीठान आदली सगळी प्रक्रिया रद्द करीत नव्यान परीक्षा घेवपाचे परिपत्रक जारी केले। महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्यान जर हातून चूक केल्या जाल्यार ह्या सगळ्या प्रकाराची शिक्षा विद्यार्थ्यांक कित्याक? प्राचार्याचेर हाची कारवाय करची अशें विद्यार्थ्यांचे पालक म्हणटात।
But the kids have gathered here and they have gone inside and they want to protest. And we as parents are also protesting. This is like an harassment to the kids and to the family members. The kids have not slept for the entire night. They've been here for 6 o'clock in the morning. They came here and they were crying and literally all this stuff is going on. And now we as parents, we are already supporting the kids. We have already informed the management. We are going into legal advice also. But what has happened with the kids is entirely wrong. Suppose there is a process, there is a failure of process. Suppose there is a failure from one person or a committee. It is the committee or the person held to be responsible, and he need to be framed for it. If you want to file a criminal complaint against him, file a criminal complaint against him, take an action against him. But why these 180 kids who have struggled for their entrance exam, for their entire process, and they have, with the proper procedure of Goa University, have gotten themselves admitted in the law college, now they have been stopped.
Basically, we are here to support our children who are going through mental torture because of this decision from the management and Goa University. I have only 2 questions to find out. Where was Goa University when this whole process was going on? Where was the management of Kare College and Salgaonkar College when this process was going on? This is not just happening in Kare College. This is happening in Kare as well as Salgaonkar. So, now the management has taken a scapegoat. Blame only one person. But I am saying, okay, if that one person is responsible, take him to the gallows. Take him to law. Do whatever you want with him. But do not torture the students. I don't want these students who are the future protector of the law of the judiciary of India, that they are cut their limbs today at the hands of this law college. My only question is to the Honorable CM of Goa. If you are watching this, we need your action on this one.
ही लॉ शिकपी भुरगी फुडाराक हीच भुरगी कायदो हाताळटली। तुम्ही तांकां आतांच कायद्याचे उल्लंघन करपाक शिकयता काय अशें म्हणीत पालकांनी कारे महाविद्यालयाच्या ह्या प्रकाराचेर निषेध उक्तायत कोर्टान वचपाची शिटकावणी दिल्या।
You find fault with your system, so scrap your system. Don't scrap these children. These are the future of us. They are the ones who will protect the law tomorrow. And you're breaking the legs now means you don't want the law to go ahead. We are not going to do anything. We are not entering also. We are going to the High Court and we'll show what we can do.
गौरांग प्रभू मळकर्णेकारा सयत ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV।